Shopify versus Squarespace. Which e-commerce builder is right for your business? Let's break down which platform might be a better fit for your e-commerce store. Both Shopify and Squarespace are top-tier website builders with a focus on online selling, but they offer different experiences, so it's crucial to figure out which one is right for you. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Shopify is built exclusively for e-commerce, and it shows. You can get a store up and running in minutes, thanks to the user-friendly interface and tons of ready-made themes. However, there's a catch. While setting up your store is simple, customization can get a little tricky if you want to add more advanced features. You might find yourself needing to dive into coding or pay for apps to get the exact functionality you want. Now, Squarespace is generally more user-friendly for beginners in terms of design, but it's not as specialized in e-commerce as Shopify. Squarespace drag-and-drop editor is great for building a website, but the e-commerce functionality feels more like an afterthought. It's fine for small shops or if you're just testing the waters, but if you want advanced features like inventory management or powerful shipping options, Shopify has a clear edge here. Next thing, pricing. Shopify's pricing starts at $39 a month, which might sound like a solid deal, but it can add up quickly. Apps, themes, and transaction fees can bring your costs well beyond that base price. For people running larger businesses or planning to scale, this can be worthwhile, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. On the other hand, Squarespace starts at $27 per month for its e-commerce plan, which is a bit more budget-friendly upfront. However, once again, Squarespace falls short in terms of e-commerce specific features, so you might end up needing to pay for third-party integrations or upgrades to handle your business needs. Now, let's dive into design and customization. Squarespace's reputation for beautiful, highly customizable templates is one of its strongest selling points. If you're looking for a stunning design without hiring a developer, Squarespace delivers, especially for stores that rely on visual appeal. Shopify's templates aren't bad by any means, but they're not as striking as Squarespace. However, Shopify wins when it comes to e-commerce specific features like product variants, customer accounts, and reporting tools. If your goal is to build a business that can grow with your needs, Shopify provides the flexibility and tools to manage a large product catalog and scale. The fourth thing to consider is integrations and apps. Shopify has a massive app marketplace with thousands of integrations, from accounting tools to email marketing, shipping solutions, and more. You can pretty much build the custom store of your dreams with Shopify's app ecosystem, though again, this can add to your monthly costs. Squarespace, in comparison, doesn't offer the same level of integrations, which can be a deal breaker for someone who wants to streamline their business operations with external tools. If you're running a serious business, Shopify is the clear winner in this department. Let's not forget about support. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support, which is essential if you're running a business around the clock. Squarespace does provide support, but it's not as fast or comprehensive as Shopify's. This could be an issue if you're dealing with urgent technical problems. Now, here's the twist. Both Shopify and Squarespace are excellent options, depending on your business model and goals, but after trying both, I found a better alternative. If you're looking for a better mix of ease of use, advanced e-commerce features, and budget-friendly pricing, you'll want to check out the platform I recommend in the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to my viewers. So, while Shopify and Squarespace are solid choices for building an e-commerce store, if you want a platform that can truly support your business long-term without breaking the bank, give that free trial a try today. You won't regret it.